Cut 300 grams of potatoes, cut into cubes. Cut into cubes. And here it's really easy. And now into cubes. This potato will be cooked, but before that, we're going to sear it. A quick fry that doesn't need much oil. Cut to fry. Fry until golden brown. Let's leave it a little longer. Once it reaches this point, we can remove it. Set it aside. Use the same oil to fry. 250 grams of ground meat. This one is pork. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt. And now just mix it. Meat browned, add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 250 grams of tomato sauce. Mix. A little bit of water. Mix. And add all the potatoes. And now let it cook for about 4 minutes or until the potatoes are soft. For me, it's already good. Now we can adjust the salt and turn it off. Now just add green onions and serve. Besides being a very tasty dish, it's simple and quite economical.